Hello everyone, I'll be trying to make an RNG game in Roblox. I will be using ChatGPT as help for scripting and ideas. So let's have a look. Let me add a new window real quick. Boom. 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 Okay. So this is what it's given me. Set up in Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio and make a new base plate. In Startup GUI, create a screen GUI. Okay. Let's try that real quick. Whoops. Okay. Okay, so it said started UI. Okay. Oh wait, no, started UI is right there. Hold on. Started UI. Screen UI. Add a text button. Text button. What the fuck is that noise? Inside that, add a text button. Name it RNG button, or just how exactly do I name it that? Click to roll. Okay. Name. Okay. How do I name it? Text button. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. Click to roll, good luck. What does it say now? It says inside that button, insert a local script. Okie dokies. Local script code, put this inside the button. Okay, what does it say? Local button, script parent, local rarities name, common, chance 70, uncommon, chance 20, rare, chance 8, legendary. Wait, let's real quick adjust the rarities. Okay. So, first of all, get rid of print hello world. Boom. $200 for common. 180 for uncommon. Rare is going to be a solid 150, 140. And legendary is going to be a 100. Okay. Now we have a script. Perfect. Now, now let's give it a try, shall we? Let's give our first thing a try. I don't expect it to work, but you got common. Wow, common. Okay, common again. Okay, I keep getting some commons. That's a lot of commons there. Wow, is there only commons? I'm gonna keep going until we get either an uncommon. I don't care how long that'll take. Common. Common!
You're all out of luck, gang. All out of luck.
Common! Stop! We have to adjust the script real quick. $50. $40. $30. Third 25. 10 for legendary. Okay, let's give it a try real quick again. We now have new chances. Hopefully we'll get an uncommon now. Common. Common. Oh, uncommon. Alright, finally. Okay, so that means the script works. Now let's try getting a rare. Okay. That's another uncommon for the win. Oh, that's a rare! Okay, wonderful. So the script works. The script actually works. That's perfect. Now let's make it a... Yeah, okay. Can you help me make a GUI to display the road rarity on the screen? Like, you wrote a legendary message. Here's exactly how to do it. Start UI, add a new screen UI, or do displays UI? Okay. Let's see what it. Okay, first of all, let's stop the test. Great. Keep your RNG button set up from before. In start UI, add a new screen UI. Okay, so first of all, new screen UI. Okay. Okay. So add a text label, name it result label. Set the text labels properties. Okay, text. Okay. Yeah, I think we're just gonna skip that. Hide your RNG button. Okay. Let's delete this. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. We have our script. Okay, now let's give it a try. It doesn't work. Okay, let's just real quick. Okay, I don't think we need this, so we're gonna delete it. Then we're gonna grab the old script from before, because that was the one that worked perfectly fine. Okay. Now it should work like before. Yep, got common. Now let's real quick readjust the script. 50, 40, 25, and 10. Perfect. Okay, so the basics are done. We've started an RNG game. Now there should be an option to store. It's just like Souls RNG. I'm pretty sure we gotta ask it to do there. Storage. The rarities may have rolled. Come on, you're taking an awfully long time to think. Excellent idea. Okay. You want, bro? My AI just turned into Mr. Burns for a moment. You want your RNG game to save and display all the rarities a player has rolled like a collection or inventory. Let's make a simple, local, non-data store version first. See it working instantly. Then I can show you how to save it permanently using data stores later if you want. Okay, game setup overview. You'll have a roll button for RNG rolls. A display label shows the current roll. Collection frame shows all the rarities you've ever rolled. Starters UI, RNG UI, screens UI, RNG button. Hold on. Ah. Okay. RNG UI. Okay. RNG UI, screens UI. Okay. So what do you want me to do? Screens UI. Perfect. RNG button, text button. Result label, text label. Collection frame. Okay. Side RNG button, okay. Okay, okay, okay. I just gotta save this real quick. And then, boom. Now we will be giving this a try. Boom. And of course we gotta real quick rename the chances, because they're kind of weird chances. Perfect. Okay, 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 okay. Now let's try it. If that's the end. Okay. Let's try it. I do not expect this to work. Yep, okay. First of all, it is because our scrolling frame and other... Okay. I think I'm just gonna delete all of this and replace it again. Okay. Perfect. Okay, well, let's ask him to make a displaying feature. To display. Okay. I think that's gonna make it for part... Actually... Yeah, that's gonna make it for part 1. Alright, so far we've literally just added a button that gives you a random ass rarity, and you can be lucky or unlucky. Okay, we got common, uncommon, and yeah, it works just fine. It's something though, but I'm gonna work on this game another day. Thanks for watching.